Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBPJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at first of all bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now looking at first of all monthly time frame historical perspective, we see that GBPJPY is bullish. We see that this long-term bullish market structure creating series of higher high and higher low. Now if we narrow down to the recent time frame, we see that GJ in fact respecting this monthly support zone. This is the trend line that we have seen. From that zone the price has bounced and again same level respected and bouncing of the same zone GBPJPY. And what we have seen that currently this monthly candle has opened with a gap and then rejected to the upside. Now if we closely look at this current monthly candle, we see that the market is above this resistance zone and there is a monthly close coming just after a day. We could see the market may continue to rise as what is going up is likely to go up. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that GBPJPY also from the weekly perspective showing significant bullish trading opportunity. Now if you draw this channel on the weekly, we see that the market after moving along this channel suddenly has broken to the upside with this bullish engulfer followed by a doji, again another bullish engulfer. The previous week there has been a doji. In fact that doji has broken this resistance line on GBP JPY. Now with that breakout we saw this week initially has gone up, created a lower high, and we saw that later, GBPJPY has come back down, has broken the previous weekly low, and there is a huge liquidity in that zone that has triggered. And we saw now GJ is breaking to the upside again. Now, this current weekly candle, we see there's a gap opening, and if the price is going up, as we see that, and if the candle is closing above this zone, we are highly likely that we could see GJ having another move to the upside. So from the weekly perspective as well, we have a high probability now GJ to continue to the upside. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that typical bullish market structure, which is very clear. We saw from the daily with this long consolidation the price has broken to the upside, and from this smart money area we saw this is the order block. It's the previous resistance zone here, turn support here on the daily. The price has broken to the upside, we saw that, and then couple of dojis has been created on the daily time frame. The price again has come back to the same level where there is a daily 20 EMA, very important support zone, also support zone, created an overextended market that we have seen on the weekly, and then GJ again pushing to the upside as it is a long-term bullish market. And we see the market structure is very strongly bullish. We can expect now GBPJPY to have another bounce to the upside as it grab liquidity from this weekly support as well as from this daily 20 EMA. It has a fuel for another bounce to the upside. So monthly, weekly, and daily providing high probability for GJ to continue to rise. So let's look at now for the lower time frame for potential entry opportunity on GBPJPY. We see that this market has formed double top and then has broken down. With that breakdown the price grab liquidity, and again we see the market is creating series of higher high and higher low. Now with this liquidity gap again from this support zone on GBPJPY, this current sessions candle is just aggressively pushing to the upside as we see all time frame aligning together for potential bullish move. We can expect now on the candle close, if we see that GBPJPY testing this local resistance here along the zone, we see that this level is quite significant. As you can see, it's a support here with this long doji. It's a very important level and also acting here as a support, resistance here, also turning here resistance. if we see GBPJPY tested as a support and rejecting from the bottom, we will be considering going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPJPY. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.